If you run a lawn care business and you want more clients without paying for ads, well, then guess what? This is exactly the video that you are going to need, because today I'm going to show you how to use organic traffic to get lawn care clients consistently, locally, and for free. Because my name is Andrew Druckman, and I'd like to welcome you to the channel here at Traffic Magic, where we turn attention into leads and leads into customers. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get homeowners to finding you instead of you chasing after them. And if you want my favorite way of getting more people to the front door of your business every single day, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video. Now, let's do this. Now, here's why organic traffic is so powerful. When someone finds you organically, they already trust you more than an ad. They're actively searching for lawn care help. They have intent. And intent turns into paying clients. Organic traffic builds momentum. One post, one video, or one listing can keep bringing in leads day after day. Step number one is going to be showing up where local people search. The first step is visibility. Organic traffic only works if you show up where local homeowners are already looking. So what does that mean? That means search engines, social platforms, and local directories. When someone types lawn care near me, you want your business to be easy to find. Use your city name in your content. Mention neighborhoods. Talk directly to local homeowners. Local relevancy beats big budgets every time. Step number two is going to be create simple local content. You don't need fancy videos or expensive equipment. You need simple, helpful content. Record short videos showing lawn tips for your area. Post before and after photos. Explain seasonal lawn problems homeowners deal with locally. When people see you teaching, they automatically see you as an expert. And of course, when they see you as an expert, what happens is that experts get hired. Step number three is going to be position yourself as the trusted option. Organic traffic works best when trust is built. People don't hire strangers, they hire professionals they feel comfortable with. So, show your face, show your process, and explain how you work. When homeowners understand what to expect, they feel safe reaching out. Trust removes price resistance. Step number four is going to be turn attention into leads. Attention alone doesn't pay the bills. You need a clear next step. Every piece of content should tell people exactly what to do next. Call. Message. Even request a quote. Make it simple. One action, no confusion. The easier you make it, the more leads you're gonna get. Step number five is going to be stay consistent and compound results. Organic traffic rewards consistently. Most people quit way too early. So, what do? You post regularly, stay visible, keep showing up. Over time, your content stacks. One video turns into 10, 10 turn into 100. That's when leads start coming in, even when you're not working. Now, step number six, follow up and close the loop. Organic leads are warm, but follow-up closes deals. If someone messages you, respond quickly. If they don't book right away, check back in. Professional follow-up turns interest into income. So if you want more lawn care clients without paying for ads, organic traffic is going to be the answer. Show up locally, create simple content, build trust, and give one clear call to action and stay consistent And if you felt like you got some value out of this, go ahead and smash that like button. Leave me in the comment section down below, because I always want to know is that you got to say. And also remember, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below this video, so this way you can get more of an in-depth training. I get more people to the front door of your business every single day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.